This is the second tennis court here on the green. And I see a bar.
Yes.
I see a really nice dining area and what looks like a bar.
Yes, in fact, we have both.
Ooh.
We have a space for cooking classes, and it's a kind of kitchen, and also we have the space for the bar.
Nice.
So right there you can have the cooking class with very Mexican dishes, and the chef, our executive chef, the most of the times can give the class. So it's really amazing and delicious.
Did you hear that, my friends? You can have your cooking class here out in the open with a chef making traditional Mexican dishes. Look at this gorgeous environment though. Perfect. Just give you a quick shot here.